Hello everyone, my name is Sanjeev, and on this video we wanted to show you inside the business model that we're doing, and we're earning more than 6 figures from this amazing system. And my business partner will share with you inside his Stripe account as well. So we're earning together, promoting this system, doing this business from the comfort of our home, and we actually doing this full time. And if you are someone out there who's looking to have a side hustle income coming in and day out, and be able to potentially be able to quit your job, spend more time with your kids and your family, be able to travel the world, that's what we actually doing. And you want to stay all the way till the end, because my business partner will share with you everything that we do on a daily basis to be able to earn this recurring income from the comfort of our home. And this is some of the trips that we actually taken from with our family, and we have gone to like different places. Been to Bali, been to Thailand, been to Philippines, been to Fiji Islands, amazing side of the world. And we're just loving every moment and every bit of our online journey. So make sure you stay all the way till the end, and all the resources will be in the description section below. So these are the resources that you're going to be clicking in the description section to get access to the system. So make sure you stay all the way till the end and have a pen and paper ready. Start taking notes, and any questions you have, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Thank you, and keep on watching.
So this business right here, it cost you only $25 to get started, and this is called Home Business Academy. So hey guys, this is Vicky here, and I'm a high ticket affiliate marketer. I make over 6 figure every single year, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get started on this $25 business. But guys, before I show you, let me show you my result, and let me show you how much I make from affiliate marketing. So guys, as you can see, this is my Stripe account, and this is where I get some of my commission. So as you can see here, $116,000. So this is over $100,000 in last few months from affiliate marketing, okay? And if I show you, this is another system, and as you can see here, $3,654. And then there is another system that I made $160,000 in last 12 months, okay? So guys, like if you go on Google, calculator, and if we calculate here $116,000 plus 3,654 plus $160,000, that's total about $279,000. So guys, this is the amount that I made in last 1 year from affiliate marketing, okay? And that's the power of affiliate marketing. You can make way more than your job in a single year, okay? So guys, this business right here, which I'm gonna show you, it has two options, okay? It has one $25 option, okay, and another is $125. So guys, at $25 you make $20 commission, okay, and at $125 option you make $100 commission. And like if I show you here, let's say you join at $25, okay, let's say you join at $25, okay, so here commission would be $20, okay, and all you need is only 2 sale, okay, all you need is only 2 sale, and that would be $40 in reoccurring commission, okay. And let's say you join at $125 level, okay, $125 option. In that case, commission would be $100, okay. And here all you need is only 2 sale again, okay, and that would be $200 in commission, okay, every single month, since it is a reoccurring commission, okay. So here's the thing guys, get your business profitable quickly. So this is very easy 3-step method, okay. Get you to 100K a year in less than 12 months. Skills to have unlimited income for life. So guys, this system teaches you everything that you need to know to make 6-figure a year, 7-figure a year. Okay, that's how I was able to make 6-figure in a single year. And this program has been created by 7-figure earner, so they teach you everything. Okay, and the system teaches you each and everything step by step that you need to know to make over 6-figure a year. And like if I show you here, in the private Facebook group, there are more than 3,000 members in the private Facebook group who are making big commissions like me. Okay, so here's the thing guys. Okay, just 2 sale turns into 149 grand a year. Okay, just 3 sale turns into $200,000 a year. Okay, so guys, this business really works. It converts like crazy. All you gotta do is just send traffic to your affiliate link and it will automatically convert. Okay, sell will automatically happen. This is one of the system in my affiliate marketing career that is converting like crazy, like so good. Okay, so what you got to do guys, simply click the link below this video and you will land on this page. Okay, and simply scroll down to the very bottom here. Okay, and you will see this $25. So what you can do is you can simply sign up on $25, or you can click here, yes, I want free access. So what will happen is this system, it will give you free access for the 2 weeks at the $25 label. Okay, other than $25 package. So either you can sign up with the $125 and get 2 weeks for free, or you can just sign up for the $25 label here. Okay, so you can sign up on 25 or 125. Personally, I am at the $25 label, so that's what I would recommend you, but you can sign up at the any 2 option. So once you have selected here, simply click on this green button, give me immediate access, and your account will be created. Okay, once you have created your account, you will land on this back office. Okay, so this is the back office, this home business academy. Okay, so once you are here, simply click on here HBA funnel builder academy, then click on funnel builder tool. So guys, what this system is. Okay, so guys, for the $25 you get this funnel builder. Okay, so this is a funnel builder that you get for $25. So like in the market there are some other funnel builder as well, like ClickFunnels, that cost you $97, but this system it costs only $25 and it provides you a very good funnel builder system. So like if you see here, I make several landing pages on my funnel builder. So like if I click here, you can see that I'm using this funnel builder for my several programs. So like you can see Biki Kumar HBA1, Biki Kumar 2, HBA MMOS. So I'm using several landing pages from this funnel builder. Okay, and cool part about this system is guys, all the landing pages are done for you. So like if you are not technical, you don't have to create your landing page. Okay, like let me show you. If I click here, okay, and if I scroll at the here, and if I click add new step, then I click page. Okay, and then if I scroll down and if I click on Fastlane affiliate here, okay, Fastlane affiliate, then I scroll up and if I choose click select here, what will happen is I will get this landing page in my dashboard. So this is the landing page that I'm using for this business as well, and these landing pages are completely done for you. You don't have to create your own. So guys, other than that, if you go to your back office, okay, and if you click here HBA premium, so under the premium you can see that it says get free traffic, right? So guys, this system teaches you how to get free traffic to your affiliate link. And if you click here get traffic paid, so it teaches you how to get paid traffic as well. Okay, it teaches you how to do solo ad, okay, how to do Facebook ads. Okay, it also teaches you how to do text message leads thing. Okay, and the cool part about this system is guys, they provide you live coaching. Like if you click here, okay, and if you click Monday night coaching, you will see that they provide live coaching every single Monday. Okay, like if you click here, you will be able to join the live coaching on every Monday. So this is very cool part about this system. So guys, once you are on your back office, the first thing that you need to do is you need to click on affiliate zone here. Okay, and then you will see that watch all 4 videos below. So here is 4 videos, step 1, okay, and then step 2, this is the second video, and this is the, let me show you, let me scroll down here. So this is a step 3. So guys, what you're gonna do once you have landed on this back office, the first thing that you need to do is watch all these step by step 4 videos and you will be able to get this system set up. So yeah guys, this is what all this $25 business contains. Okay, so what you're gonna do is click the link below this video and you will land on this page, okay? And simply go ahead and create your account at the $25 level or create your account at the $125 level. You can sign up at any option, either 25 or either 125, okay? So this is the system, guys, and the cool thing is this is very easy to do. Even if you are not computer savvy, okay, if you are not technical, you can get it set up right away and it will be up and running, okay? And from tomorrow, from day 2, what I will do is I will teach you how to generate traffic, okay, how to set up your email autoresponder, how to set up your landing page, okay? I'll teach you each and everything in a step-by-step format so you can make big commissions like me and like many other people who are working on this system, okay? From tomorrow I will share you my each and every step that I'm using to generate this big income, as you can see here, okay? So yeah, guys, what I will tell you is go ahead, create your account on this $25 business, and I'll see you from day 2. I will literally hold your hand and I will help you to make 6 figure. Go ahead, create your account. See you in the day 2 video.